Hello guys, good morning. Thank you for being here today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. Maybe you saw my video with my ICPs. I loved it and I thought, what will be fun is to do a fire and ice piece. So two different directions, two different color palettes, and I think it would be fun to use now a black base. Molly's Artistry has done this before, loved that piece. I need to try it too. Here we go. Okay, a fire and ice round canvas painting. I've thought a little while about it and I still have the colors which I used for my icy piece, and I've mixed up some fire colors. And I was thinking like doing a split base, so one part black, one part white, and then layer for 50% on the canvas the fire colors and on 50% the ice colors, and then blow that out. And I might spin again. So yeah, gonna try that. Hope it's gonna work out. So let's start with some black. And let's go here with white. Okay, I'm gonna blow that out. Okay, that looks good, sort of yin and yang. Well, that would be different. But yeah, let's start layering then the colors. Let me think. I'll start here with red. Then I'll go with orange. And let's go with some copper. And a little bit of gold as well, instead of, yellow, because I don't think the yellow will be very pretty with the black. Then here I'm gonna go with the ice blue, some silver, also a little bit of the gold, because I loved what it did in the icy piece. It made that ice blue a little bit of green. That was beautiful. Just a bit of Payne's gray. And I should take some more, alright. And that pearl white. Come on. Okay. All right. I'll torch this. Okay, and it's the same mixture, by the way, as I used for my icy piece. So I added 20% floetrol, 40% water and 40% paint. And I was thinking here, if I'm blowing it out, I will blow the fire into the black and the ice into the white. Let's see. I will add some more black here, maybe just a bit here too. All right, some white. And yeah, let's start with the blow dryer. Okay, so I will blow this into the black again and this into the white. Well, that went different than I imagined, but that does look cool, doesn't it? You know, the eyes, yeah, it's a lot more in the black, but that's okay. It still definitely looks like ice, and this, yeah, that's definitely fire. It's cool. Yeah, I think I will spin this. Okay, first torch it, because if we get great cells, it would be great if they stretch out a bit more too. Okay, yeah, let's start spinning. Oh, you know, like the last time, I'm not so good in spinning. I'm really liking it, except for the middle here. I don't know. I just don't like this part that much. Yeah, it does look cool. It does look cool. You know what's left? A full fire piece then. Because I have the ice, I have ice and fire. And then I need to do, of course, a fire piece. But I need to keep some of these rounds, because for the do's and don'ts challenge that I have coming up the 6th of March with the Messy Art Studios, I need a round canvas. And that's why I also have those round panels, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna let this be. It looks totally different as well with all that floetrol, by the way. Yeah, and give you a close-up.